Subtract. Borrow when the top digit is too small. Number 6. 62 minus 37. We can't do 2 minus 7, so we go over to the tens columns. We're going to turn that 6 into a 5, which means that this 2 is going to become a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Going back to the tens column, 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is 25. Number 7. 84 minus 29. In the ones column, 4 minus 9 doesn't work, so we're going to cross out that 8 and make it a 7, turning this 4 into a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5, and then 7 minus 2 is 5. Our answer is 55. Number 8. 71 minus 46. 1 minus 6 doesn't work, so we're going to borrow from that 7 and make it a 6, turning this 1 into an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Our answer is 25. For number 9, 95 minus 58. 5 minus 8 won't work, so we're going to go to that 9 and turn it into an 8. We're going to turn the 5 into a 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. Our answer is 37. Number 10. 203 minus 87. Starting on the right, we can't do 3 minus 7, so we're going to go to borrow from the 0, but there's nothing to borrow. So we have to go over one more. We're going to turn that 2 into a 1 so that we can turn that 0 into a 10. Now we can borrow from it. So the 10 becomes a 9, and the 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus nothing is 1. So our answer is 116. Number 11. 410 minus 156. 0 minus 6 won't work, so we're going to cross out that 1 and make it a 0 and turn our other 0 into a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 0 minus 5 still won't work, so we're going to turn that 4 into a 3 and turn that 0 into a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 254. For number 12, we have 732 minus 468. Starting on the right in the ones column, we can't do 2 minus 8, so we're going to borrow and make that a 2. Turn this 2 into a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 6 won't work, so we're going to turn that 7 into a 6 and make this a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is 264. Lastly, for number 13, 905 minus 327. We can't do 5 minus 7, so we go to borrow from that 0, but there's nothing to borrow, so we have to go over one more. We're going to turn that 9 into an 8 so that we can turn that 0 into a 10. Now we can borrow from it. Turn that 10 into a 9 and turn that 5 into a 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. Our total is 578.